Hello everyone, so in this video I'm going to talk about my interview experience in Hexaware technology. So the first question is how I got the opportunity. So basically I have uploaded my resume on naukri.com, and from there recruiter directly contact me and then they schedule the interview. So if I will talk about the round, so there I have faced two rounds. So basically the first round is technical round and the second round is managerial round. I am not aware about the how many rounds Hexaware technology have, because unfortunately I got rejected in the managerial round. So I don't much idea about it, like how many rounds they have. So basically they have took my first technical round, and in the same day they have took my managerial round as well. So if I now move forward, so in the round 1, so basically the first round is a technical round. So they asked me the first question, like can you create, so they gave me a problem set to create a pagination, client side pagination, and they have given me some mock API where they have whole data, like they are fetching the whole data in one go, and I want to create a client side pagination where each page have 100 items. So like suppose that if I have 400 items, then I need to show four buttons, and when I click on one button, in each button the screen will show 100 items, something like this I need to create. So they have not told me to code it anything, they just gave me a like plain sheet, like plain white paper sheet, and there I need to write the logic, like how I will do all those things and how I will call the API and how I will write the utility function to divide the whole array or data set in 100 items. So something like they just want to see my approach. So they have given me this situation, and this next question is like how to protect a routes in a React.js. So the person interviewer asked me like how you will protect a route from unauthorized access. Like suppose that we have some page, and he asked me like if that particular page like have some role, like we have a role based login system, so that role don't have the access of that particular page, so how you will hide it. So yeah, basically this question he asked me. Then after 2 hours they have scheduled my managerial round. So the second round, as I have told, that is a managerial round, and basically I failed in this round because I not took much seriously this thing. And like being a developer, we mostly think like technical round is much more important as compared to the other rounds, but with this interview I understood every round is have their own importance. We need to take care each round, and we need to prepare properly for each round, then only we can able to crack the interview, otherwise we will fail. Because in failing in the middle round is like so hectic, because due to the silly mistake I have ruined my chance in order to get the offer. So I will tell you what are the mistakes I have done so that you guys will not make. Okay, so if I will talk about the first question is they have talked about my introduction. So the interviewer is first he given his introduction, and then after that he asked me to give my introduction. Then the second question is, do you know about the Hexaware technology? So basically this is the biggest mistake I have done. I not read about anything about what is the Hexaware technology and what they are doing. So I didn't have any idea, because you might think like it's my mistake only, like I'm not read anything about the Hexaware technology, like what it will do. So yeah, basically I directly told him like I don't know much about the thing. This is the first point where I got stuck. The second question he asked me like, do you aware of roles and responsibility for this job role? So basically this is also I don't know. Okay, like I'm not clear about the thing, because recruiter just called me in the morning and they schedule the interview in within 1 hour, and then after 2 hours I get into the managerial round. So I didn't get the chance, and he also not told me. So I thought that might be like it's a React.js, so my like mostly we were doing the work like a front-end editor work. So basically it's similar to the role. But after that, when I told him like I don't know much about like my roles and responsibility, then he explained me about it. Okay, and it is like totally little bit different as we are doing daily work. So yeah, so basically this is the second mistake I have done. Then he asked me like, are you able to relocate to the new location? Why he asked me this question? Because I mostly work in the remote, and from last 2 years or 4 years I mostly working remotely only after the COVID. So I have given my interview in my home. So he understood, okay, he is in home. So he asked me like, are you able to relocate to the new location? So I told him, yeah, I am able to, and I don't have any issue. So this question is going fine. Then the next question he asked me like he asked me like, how many offers you have right now? So I told that I have 2 offers right now. So he told me, if you have 2 offers, why you are looking for this job? So I directly told him like, I want good hike. And this is the biggest mistake I have done. Like, this is the biggest worst answer of this question, because he understood like, I am not interested in the company, I am not interested in the role, I just giving the interview in order to get the offer, so that if any new company will come, or whatever the previous offer I have cracked, I can say them or compensate the offer, like, I am getting the more hike in this company, so you will give me the more hike. So he understood like, he not interested in the role, he just here to get the offer and show to the other company. So this is the only thing understood. So he understood, okay, this guy is not going to join our company. So this is the biggest mistake. If you are facing these types of questions, be prepared. Like, first thing first, like, whenever you are going to any of the round, just first read about the company, like what they are doing, and like what are the roles and responsibility they have in their jobs, and also read about the JD, like job description, like what are the roles and responsibilities are required in order to do this job. And then also, if they are asking you why you are looking for a new opportunity, if you already have some offers, so just tell them like, just give the answer in a favor of that company, like, I love the culture of Hexaware technology, or I love the company and I'm looking for a better work culture or better opportunities. So you will like say something like this, but don't say like, I just giving the interview just to get the better hike. This is like a worse answer. Okay, so these are the mistakes I want to highlight in this video, so that if you are going to any of the interview, so you will not make this mistake and you will get the offer. So yeah, this is the only thing I want to share. You will learn from my mistake and don't do this. Yeah, that's all. I hope you like this video. By my mistake, my possibility, you will get something. So that's all in this video, and we will meet into the second video. Thank you guys for watching the video. Thank you. Bye bye.